Ever wondered if your current diet plan is the best one for you? Let's venture into the world of keto, a diet plan that's been taking the health and wellness scene by storm. Keto, short for ketogenic, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been recognized for its numerous benefits. Now you might be asking, what's so special about another low-carb diet? Well, the magic lies in the way our bodies react to it. When we cut down on carbs and replace them with fats, our bodies enter a metabolic state called ketosis. This is where the weight loss magic happens. In ketosis, our bodies become incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. But the benefits of keto don't stop there. Improved energy levels, better mental clarity, and a reduced appetite are just a few more of the perks of this lifestyle. If you're intrigued, stay with us as we delve deeper into the keto meal plan. Now you might be asking, what exactly is a keto meal plan? Well, let's break it down. A ketogenic or keto meal plan is a diet that focuses on foods that are high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. Picture your plate filled with foods like avocados, salmon, and leafy greens, with fewer items like bread and pasta. The aim of this diet is to push your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. You see, normally your body uses carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. But in ketosis, your body runs out of carbs to burn and switches to burning fat instead. This results in weight loss and improved energy levels for many people. But it's not just about losing weight. The keto diet also has potential benefits for brain health, and it may even help manage certain health conditions like epilepsy. Sounds interesting? Let's explore how to start this meal plan. Embarking on a keto meal plan may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to plan your meals. This is crucial because it helps you stay on track and avoid impulsive, carb-heavy choices. Next, instead of going cold turkey on carbs, consider reducing your intake gradually. This could mean swapping your regular pasta for a low-carb alternative one day, then trying a bunless burger the next. Now, hydration is key in any diet, but it's especially important when you're on a keto meal plan. So remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. As you start, you might experience some initial side effects, commonly known as the keto flu. This can include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, or irritability. Don't worry, this is normal and usually subsides within a week. Now that you know how to start, let's look at what a day on a keto meal plan could look like. A day on a keto meal plan is not just about eating bacon and eggs. Let's dive into a sample daily meal plan to showcase the variety and deliciousness of keto-friendly meals. Breakfast could be a smoothie made with spinach, avocado, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of sugar-free protein powder. This combination is packed with healthy fats and protein to kickstart your day. For lunch, how about a salad with grilled chicken, romaine lettuce, olives, feta cheese, and a dressing made of olive oil and lemon? It's a light, refreshing meal that keeps the carbs low. As for dinner, a juicy steak with a side of grilled asparagus and a dollop of herb butter can be incredibly satisfying. The steak provides ample protein, while the asparagus and herb butter offer a good mix of fiber and fats. In between, snack on macadamia nuts, celery sticks with cream cheese, or a small portion of berries. And there you have it, a full day of delicious keto-friendly meals. Now you're equipped with the basics of a keto meal plan. We've traversed the path of understanding what a ketogenic diet is to knowing the basic principles of a keto meal plan. Together, we've discovered how to embark on this journey, and even took a peek at what a day on a keto meal plan looks like. This low-carb, high-fat diet is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle change that has helped many achieve their health and weight loss goals. The secret lies in the shift of your body's metabolism, from burning carbohydrates to burning fats for energy. This metabolic state, known as ketosis, can lead to potential health benefits like weight loss, improved mental clarity, and sustained energy levels. For more detailed information about the keto meal plan, click on the link in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Happy keto journey!